Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on the furnace. In my 1987, I made a mistake, it was actually a 1987, not a 1984, 1987 Alliance trailer made by Skyline. And I'm going to do a video on the furnace. This is a ducted Duo Therm furnace. There's the thermostat for it. Maybe one light on or something. There we go. So yeah, it's the thermostat. Special little Duo Therm thermostat. This is a ducted unit. It's got a whole duct row down here with 3 diffusers. There's also 2 more vents in there. There's one there, and there's one right there. Over there. 2 fans, 1 motor. They're both for the. There's one for the inducer and one for the blower, ductwork blower. So what I'm gonna take this cover off, and I don't have to worry about getting the burners igniting because the slide glass is there. I'm gonna raise the camera up a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it down. Sorry about the slanted image. Should work out, I hope. Anyway, let's get it going. I'm gonna turn it up. Here we go. Already hot, but I don't want to run it for too long, but it works. So yeah, it's hard to get on sometimes. Case cover. There we go. So that's pretty much it, guys. Over and out. So let's take this cover off here. Okay. It's got 2 solenoids there. One's for 12 volts and one's for 120 volts. Sight glass there. Inspection glass. It's a model 991750311. Is a 30,000 BTU type of gas. It's actually no, 24,000. Yeah, not much to it. GGA approved, obviously. Very nice furnace, but it's a great furnace. It's been in this trailer ever since it was made, which of course 1987. Air conditioner is not original. That was replaced for some reason. I don't know why. I think there was a problem. I'm not really sure. I'll have to ask my grandpa because it was his trailer, and then we got it, and then we bought the trailer from him. Of course, it's dusty. So anyway, guys, there's not much to that furnace, but it's a pretty nice furnace. It runs great and heats up in here pretty quickly. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm out.